Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. It's been a hot minute since I've been on this channel because I started another one. Link in the description below.
Yeah.
If you guys like other stuff other than cars. I'm here with, oh my god, another RS3 popped right here. And we are in his RS3 today, and we're going to be installing, what is it?
The Unitronic mid pipes. So this car actually came with the sport package, so it has the sport exhaust, and it still is under factory warranty. So before we go crazy and tune it and do the downpipe, we're gonna add a little bit of sound, and these Unitronic mid pipes are gonna take care of that.
Sweet. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and install it, because I don't know if there's any videos out there, so if there is, then there is. If not, then whatever.
Yeah, so we're gonna try to make this enjoyable for you or informational for everyone watching. We're going to show you exactly what you need and try to take it step by step so it's easier for the next person to do it.
Exactly. And also we are going to be swapping my Brom seats with another pair of Brom Brom seats. Yeah, I don't know if that's going to be in the video or not, probably not, but it could be like a after the fact.
We'll try to put something at the end just so you guys can see.
Also, what, another video probably. I'll be in Texas and Louisiana all week, and when I get back, I'm gonna work on my car with my exhaust, so stay tuned for that.
All right, so these are the Unitronic mid pipes. So basically under the car, the downpipe that comes off turbo is a single pipe, and when it bends out, because this is the RS3, it splits into two pipes, so there's gonna be a Y there. Right off the split, there's two cats, one on each side, and those are what are known as the mid pipes. So that's what we're going to be changing out here. I'll pull one out so you can see, and I'll show you where the cat actually gets deleted. It's not a full cat delete, it's just the secondary cats. So it should open up the noise a little bit. All right, so here we have one side, and you can kind of see, it's really not long, it's probably about 3 feet. It's a 3-bolt on one end and then a clamp on the other. And pretty much right here at this bend, you can see this is where the cat would normally sit in the car. And I will, whenever we get it unbolted, I'll show you that as well. Do a side by side so you guys can see. All right, so this car has the sport exhaust from factory, so it's got a little bit of noise. We're gonna show you that now. We'll take a before and after with the mid pipes, and we'll put them at the end of the video so you can hear them side by side rather than one split in the middle of the video. So I'm gonna go ahead and start it. You'll hear the start, and then I'll rev it. Because this is a DCT, it won't rev all the way up, but you'll be able to hear a little bit.
Oops. Action. All right, so we went ahead and got that car all jacked up. We only did one side because I don't think we're gonna need to do both sides. And if we do, then we'll do it. If not, then who cares? But I need to figure out what size the nuts and bolts are, and then that's about it. So, all right, so he's going into the dark abyss. Let's see.
It's on the front. Fuck me.
So this is where we have to unbolt it, right?
Yeah, so.
And it runs.
You guys can see, I'll try to do this so the light still shines. So these are two cats. These are your secondary cats. And this will unbolt them from these 3 bolts, flanges here. And then when they come back, they're just clamped back here. If you can see that. So this is the section that we're gonna be replacing. Mainly, we're gonna be deleting these 2.
Yeah. Open it up just a little bit. Okay, cool. We'll update you in a second. All right, so we had to jack it up on all 4s because we couldn't reach it. But yeah, we're gonna get up all under there and get it done because these ones are nice and studded, so we only have to take off the nut part of it compared to having a whole bolt. So it should be, what?
So it should be pretty quick, taking them off, 5-10 minutes, just to break all the bolts loose, get them out, and then we'll show you guys once we pull them off, and then go from there.
Yes. Oh, are you sure? Yep. I feel like it's towards me. Cause
look, holding this straight, right? Left, left.
Okay, yeah.
So this is already locked left.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
These bitches.
All right, so we were able to get one, or the first mid pipe off. So if you guys look, this is the cat. Obviously you can see that in there. Unfortunately, the stock ones are actually studded into the downpipe. So we unfortunately broke a couple studs on this one and the other one. So whenever we go back to stock, we'll just have to have new studs put in. But they're pretty rusty, and just the heat over the years just kind of aided them, and they broke. But this is the piece that we will be replacing. So we're gonna get the other one off, and then we'll update you guys once we get the other one off.
There was like a sticker in there.
I can kick it too to break it loose first.
One check, please. I got it. All right, so we got both out and good and jolly. Nothing too special. How many did you break?
I think we ended up breaking, what, 1, 2, 3 out of 6?
3 out of 6. That's no bueno.
Yeah, that's not good.
But it's okay because we don't really need them for this part.
Yeah.
Because it comes with everything. But yeah, we're gonna start it right now with just like this, straight down pipe. It's gonna be ridiculous, but you know, who cares? You're good whenever.
Ready?
Yep.
Yo, those felt like grenades under my ass.
Oh shoot. Okay, well, we're about to put the other ones back in now, so. Yeet. There we go. Any other updates?
No.
Okay. All right, so we're done. Finn. That was I'm out of breath, but that was a little harder than expected, kind of.
Yes. So if you come over to the light, you can see kind of just how rusty the stock mid-pipes bolts are. So we put in all new hardware, both new mid-pipes. Everything's tightened down and ready to go. We'll start it in a minute, give you guys a sound clip. I just want to point out, for anyone doing this, if you break a bolt, like we did here, if you're not going to put these back to stock, you don't need to really worry about it. If you are going to eventually go back to stock, you're going to need to have a machine shop drill these out and grab new studs. These are studs. If you look on the back, there is no bolt on the back of these. So just make sure you get new studs, and then you'll be good to go. The Unitronic kit came with new gaskets, new nuts, bolts, new hardware, everything like that. So it's pretty simple. You drop these out, drop the new ones in. On this side of the mid pipe, there's a clamp that clamps around this side and the rest of the exhaust. So you're just going to loosen both of those bolts, slide the clamp back onto the rest of the exhaust, and pull this right out. It's pretty simple if you have the right tools, and if your bolts don't suck like mine did, you should be in and out in like a half an hour. So we'll go ahead and start the car, get you a sound clip. We did the downpipe lock.
Yeah. All right, here we go for a lovely cold start. Let me go to the back. Let's go to the beach.
I don't think it's gonna be cold start.
It won't be a cold start, but it'll be like a start.
You ready?
Yeah. What are your thoughts?
I mean, it gave it a little bit of sound. That's exactly what we were looking for. It's going to get a little bit louder whenever we can actually drive it and open up the valves. The valves won't open up while this thing's in park, but once we get on the road, it should give us the sound that we're looking for.
All right, so we finished his car. Oh my God, another RS3.
Oh my God.
And so these ones right here were my seats that were in my Audi. And changing or swapping with him for these suede Broms. Just because these will go with his car better than mine. I don't have any white accents, so that's about it. Super easy, and I don't know what else to say with this, so watch it. This is
Till next time.
Huh?
Till next time.
Yeah, this is what's your Instagram?
Z_blue_WRX.
Yeah, right there. You'll see it later. Oh shit! How do I? Did I just turn it around? like these seats, Michael?
Yeah. That was already turning too.
Does this go back anymore?
Your bolts are still in your car, by the way.
Hello? I'm confused. Sorry. I don't think we broke it.
That was just for the pressure plate, right?
Sure. I don't know.
Hey, probably better than one of those.
All right, we got them all installed. It's kind of. Audi's really dumb and they make a stupid bolt design for this seat because I literally cannot get any tools in there, so I'm using these, last resort. But, yay! Did you take my phone? Oh, thank you.
Bro, this seat barely fits.
They're the same seat.
Yeah, I know, but for some reason this one's like too far to the right. I don't know about that.
Yeah, this one's fine.
Oh well.
All right, so we're all done with the Audi's 2.0.
Something like that.
Yeah, and WRX seat swaps and stuff. We're gonna go to a Target and get some flybys real quick, because why not? And then that's gonna be the end of the video. We'll probably end the video over there at the parking lot or something. Sound good?
Yeah, that's good.
Super easy install. Sorry we didn't show you how to install it. I mean,
it's pretty simple. If you can't figure it out, then yeah.
Oh.
This is kid friendly.
Yeah, you fucking bitch. That's all fucking bitch. But yeah, like, subscribe. We'll see you guys at the parking lot. Subscribe. Like and subscribe. Over it. All right, so that's the end of this video. Sorry for the very lack of sorry for the lack of content. Just been busy doing work and stuff, and then I'll be in Texas and Louisiana, so if any of you guys follow me from there, hit me up. I'll be there. But yeah, 2 installs today, went flawlessly. Nothing, this thing literally just scared the fuck out of me. So, kind of want one, but whatever. Kieran?
Yeah, I just want to say huge thank you to Nico for helping me with all the installs, getting it done pretty quick. There's going to be a lot more coming with this car, so pretty much everything that we install, we'll probably try to vlog it, because when the warranty runs out on this thing, it'll go full stage 2 85, and then we'll probably send it off to IROS to get it built for like 800 or 900. My Instagram's on the side of the car. There's probably already a shot of it somewhere. You guys can go follow. That's where you guys will see all of the progress for this thing. And yeah, other than that, thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe.
hit that bell icon.
And if you want to see anything else, just leave it in the comments and we'll try to make it happen.
Yeah.